There's Jake.
I'm not going night.
What are you doing?
See?
Cheese. What are you doing in there?
Do you want to go to bed?
No. I want to bed. I make a make 10 minutes. Stop.
What are you doing in the box?
It's time to go night-night, honey. Come on.
No! I'm going night.
Jake, it's time to go night-night. Come out of the box.
No!
Come on, Jake. We gotta go to bed.
No!
Jake, where'd you go? It's late and it's time to go night-night.
No.
Are you in there?
No, no.
Come on. Come on, Pumpkin.
Already. Birthday.
Man, you're holding on that tight. Come on, let's go to bed.
Stop it.
Come on. Come to bed.
Jake,
Are you in there? Is Jake in there?
Jake, open the door for a minute. Let Mommy talk to you. Look at me. Open the door. Hey, it's late and it's time to go to bed. Okay? Why?
Pay.
You want to play, but it's late and you have to go night-night and we'll play tomorrow when you get up. Okay? And Mommy will read you a nice story. Jake? Come on, it's time to go to bed. Push it open.
Come on, Pumpkin. Let's go.
I'll read your choo-choo story. Okay? Come on. Jake.
What are you in the box for?
Jake.
Hey, you.
Jake.
Come on out.
Hi.
No.
Come on.